Welcome to this lecture. This is on why MongoDB is strategic skill for modern developers. I'm Dr. Srinivas, and through this session, we'll understand why MongoDB has become such a pivotal technology in today's software ecosystem. Whether you're a developer, architect, a data enthusiastic, this skill is very relevant. As of 2025, we generate nearly 494 million terabytes of data every day. This comes from devices like smartphones, IoT sensors, social media platforms, and cloud applications. But the key challenge is just not volume, it's the nature of data. A vast majority of it is unstructured images, logs, videos, messages, and traditional databases, relational databases, weren't simply built to handle that scale or variety. That's why this new adaptable system is urgently needed. Now let's take a look at structured versus unstructured data. Structured data fits perfectly in a relational tables. Think payroll, think banking, think inventory. But today, over 80% of the enterprises, the data is unstructured. It comes as media content, sensor readings, chat logs, and increasingly JSON data coming in from APIs. This shift requires databases that don't demand rigid schemas, databases that can adapt as data evolves. That's where NoSQL and specifically MongoDB comes in. Modern applications need to react in milliseconds, if not in nanoseconds. Users expect instant results, personalization, and real-time updates. Traditional RDBMSs with their rigid schemas and dependence on joins often become a bottleneck. Agile teams can't afford to wait for the schema migration or index rebuilds. That's why they need a database that evolves with code, not the one that slows it down. Today's apps are global by default. Whether it's a fintech app in India or a messaging app in Europe, users expect instant access everywhere. To support that, backends must be distributed, but not only the backends must be distributed, but not all databases are designed for distribution. MongoDB from the start is built on a distributed architecture. It supports horizontal scaling, replication, and consistency, making it perfect for modern architectures. Most new systems are built cloud first these days. They contain microservices, containers, and elastic infrastructures. Traditional SQL databases weren't designed for this environment in mind. MongoDB, specifically through Atlas, fits into this ecosystem. It is serverless ready, supports Kubernetes and a variety of other platforms, and works seamlessly with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Now let's look into the MongoDB document model. MongoDB stores data as documents, JSON-like, and it's incredibly flexible. Unlike relational rows and columns, these documents can vary in structure. They naturally map to object-oriented programming, and embedded documents reduce the need for expensive joins. This leads to faster iterations, fewer mismatches between code and data, and offer better performance for modern workloads. Well, MongoDB is not just for startups. It's used by more than 30,000 organizations at the time of recording, including more than half of the Fortune 100 companies. That's a powerful validation of its scalability and enterprise readiness. The market share continues to grow as the business models, more and more businesses choose MongoDB for its versatility. And from a career perspective, this translates into growing demand across industries, from applications ranging from IoT to analytics to mobile and content management. The modern RAG architecture also makes a wide use of this MongoDB. So see you in the next lecture.